A Nazi-themed high school holiday parade in Taiwan led to outrage and the resignation of the school's principal. Chang Sao-ming stepped down as principal of Taiwan's Kwangfu High School after photos of the students in Nazi regalia and uniforms went viral. According to the principal, the students voted for the Nazi theme in part because it was easy to convert their school attire into Nazi uniforms. Some were unaware of Hitler's atrocities. The Israel Economic and Cultural Office in Taipei called the event, quote, deplorable and shocking, and urged more education about the Holocaust. A local history professor told the Taipei Times that Taiwan's education system is partly to blame. She said, the students' lack of empathy to the historical trauma suffered by others shows that Taiwanese history and civic education is in crisis.